the replica of Puffin Billy. Hoping to get a ride behind it and experience the feel of early railway travel. Always wanted to ride behind one of these type of engines. I was hoping to see the steam elephant in steam, but as you can just see on the right hand side there in the shed, it's under retubing and various maintenance, so I'm a little bit disappointed that it were not in steam. Hopefully next year it will be, and maybe experience a ride behind that as well. If you've never been to Beamish Open Air Museum, it's well worth the effort to go and have a day there. There's so much to see, and you can ride on trains like these old ones, you can ride around on trams, buses, horse-drawn carts, just about everything you can think of. It's a fantastic place.
If you see anything you'd like to know a little bit more about, don't come and ask me, because I can't be bothered with your questions today. Go and speak to any of the other ones and they'll happily answer anything for you, okay? Here we go, ride of a lifetime.
10 years ago, those modular things that are out there, it doesn't bother them with benches.
Come on, get in, Tom.
Certainly an interesting ride behind one of these engines, sat in these reproduction coaches with the hard seats. The springing doesn't seem all that soft, so this must have been what it were like in the early days of passenger hauling. Must be really uncomfortable if you're travelling a long distance. Very enjoyable nonetheless. Here we have another view of the steam elephant in the shed undergoing maintenance. Hope the video was of interest, and thanks for watching.